Welcome to the Catalyst YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about high-performance liquid chromatography or HPLC. So how does HPLC works? Let's get to know about it from the experts themselves.
When a sample is injected into HPLC, it will pass through the column and the components of the sample will interact differently with the column packing material, which is key for the identification, detection and quantification of the sample.
Let's understand the advantages of HPLC in sugar and distilling industries in detail.
This is our chromatography lab. Here we have 3 HPLC and you can see here this is isocratic previous version of HPLC, and these are 2 new HPLC and this is a highly advanced HPLC. HPLC has 6 components and if I explain HPLC components, here is a mobile phase. First one is mobile phase and second one is pump. You can see here this is a pump and third one is injector. This is injector point, and inside this column over there is stationary phase. This stationary phase has tiny particles of solids. It's a detector and it is easily detect any compounds, and for any results we use this advanced software.
HPLC is widely used in distilleries and sugar industries, but why?
HPLC is used to do fermentation kinetics, in which we can identify the primary metabolites, like the sugar is converted into ethanol and some organic acid. By HPLC we can easily analyze and we can do the identification of rate of fermentation. We can identify the bottleneck of the fermentation process, and for this we can maximize the yield of ethanol also. That's why the HPLC is very essential to all the sugar industry and distillery. Still, there are many sugar and distillery units who are using old traditional method.
What makes HPLC a superior choice over traditional analysis methods in fermentation and quality control?
HPLC having several advantages over traditional method like automation, precision, sensitivity and high accuracy.
What is HPLC?
Actually, HPLC is an analytical technique and it can be easily identified and quantified a variety of samples including distilleries, sugar industries as well as paper industries, brewery industries and malt industries.
How can it help improving process?
HPLC identify other sugar components like DP4, DP3, DP2, DP1 and byproducts also, lactic acid, glycerol, acetic acid, as well as our main product, ethanol.
What are the challenges in implementing this?
HPLC is based on the advanced technologies and it is well accepted by all industry. Still, in Indian scenario, acceptability is main challenge and still we are depend upon the conventional technique like titration, but these titration methods are error-prone methods.
Where to buy?
There are many HPLC present in the market. Catalyst may help you to choose the best one.
What kind of manpower required to operate?
HPLC requires technically skilled person for maintaining the instrument and for reliable and precise results.
Are HPLC's results data more accurate than manual methods?
The manual method having more chances of error and the error percentage is between 1 to 5%. In HPLC, the error percentage is very less and it is the range of less than 0.5%. It is very accurate and precise.
What will be the benefits in terms of loss prevention?
Measuring the accurate value of sugars and byproducts using HPLC will help us to understand how the fermentation is running, and we can also figure out is there any scope for improvement. Let's take the example of lactic acid. If 1% of lactic acid is increased during fermentation, it is equivalent to 1% loss of ethanol. If we can figure out exactly at what stage of fermentation the lactic acid is increasing. By taking corrective measures, we can save huge amount of losses in terms of ethanol yield.
How can catalysts help?
Catalysts can guide you on the instrument specifications during purchase, support during installation, and establishing the methods in coordination with the instrument vendor. Not only that, we can also support you in terms of training your in-house personnel on the operation of the equipment.
If you're looking to improve efficiency in your distillery or sugar plant, the Catalyst Group is here to help. From installation to training, we've got you covered. Follow us for more insights and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more technical videos.